Ready to lose weight? Start with beginner-friendly cardio like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Aim for at least 150 minutes weekly. These activities burn calories and boost your metabolism. Pair your workouts with smart eating habits. Fill half your plate with vegetables, choose lean proteins like chicken or tofu, and swap refined carbs for whole grains. Avoid sugary drinks and snack on fruits or nuts instead. Track your progress, stay consistent, and don't skip meals. Balance is key. With regular cardio and mindful eating, you'll see steady, lasting weight loss.